Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to make a quick update to a video I made about a year ago, which is this one. And just to
Go
play a
to the
little
form. So
bit,
to show that, if I
it's showing how you can have a view that's not editable versus a view right here that is editable. And in this video, I was just kind of like showing how you can, go to advanced settings, go to classic mode, basically to add the control to do inline editing for a view, but this video I'm just going to show a lot easier and quicker way. I'm not sure if this was a Microsoft update recently, but I just found this out a few days ago and I just wanted to share it. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, we have this view here. We can't make any changes, of course, unless we click into um, the record, and now we can make changes. Just put a 2 here, save close. So we have our changes. And so just a quicker way for users to make changes right on the view instead of the form. What you can do is you can head over to your solution, go to your table, click on views, um, and then basically the main view. I believe it's this one. Uh, Let me see which view is this. My active accounts. Okay. And then, so in this view, all you have to do is go to components, add a component, get more components, and then right here, Power Apps Grid Control. And so I'm not going to go through each and every single one, but once you add it, you'll find it in your add a control. Click on it, and now you can, basically select all the options. So this is the accounts table, which view, my active view. You can pick which view you want to edit it. I don't need to do child items parent. Then enable editing. I want to switch this to yes. And then filtering yes, sorting yes, enable grouping yes. But yeah, it's a few multiple select that you can change here. I'll just change a few of these. And now just hit done, save. Okay, so now I have that component active on this view here. I'll hit save and publish. Alright, so it's done. And then we can just control, do a hard refresh. Now we should be able to edit right here. So now I can just click on this record, then hit backspace, hit enter. You'll know it's saved by that line. Same thing, if I want to add approvals, approve. All right, we have approved. Reject. And so you can do that. And something else I want to show really quickly is for choice columns, you can have colors, and that's also something that you can enable during the component. So if I go here, hit edit, there should be something over here about colors. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, enable option set colors. So if I hit yes, hit save, let me just make sure that took it. No, it did not save. Okay, make sure you hit done first and then hit save. Okay, and if I go to my approvals and I hit, oh wait, let me actually go to the table itself. Let me save and publish this, just so I can show you guys the actual colors and how you can manipulate and pick them. So if I go to choices, I'll just go straight to my choices. So here are the colors that I have set. So now if I do a hard refresh, you should see the colors associated. All right, so approve, reject, pending, and of course you can change these colors. So I could do, I don't know, blue, purple, and then let's make reject. I don't know, pink, I guess. Save it. Now another hard refresh. And you see the colors have changed. So I just wanted to update this old video. It was about a year old. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not really sure what I should make a video on next. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I'm thinking about making a video on creating plugins, but I'm not exactly sure yet. So hope you guys enjoy. Having a good day. Talk to you guys later. Bye.